everyone. Woke up to frozen pipes. We have melted snow and tried to unfreeze them, but that is not working. And to clarify, these are the water pipes that controls all the water to the house. So, long story short, we have no water right now because I did not turn on any of the taps last night because I didn't think that the pipes would freeze because they hadn't frozen in 14 years, and I obviously was.
Okay, so we're outside, and there's a bucket in front of me because I'm gonna get snow and take it inside. But we're outside right now. This is all the snow. Isn't that crazy? Like, it's insane. Like, what the heck? Alright, well, that's like a short clip of what it looked like outside. Look at my hand. That's from picking up snow and putting it in a bucket. It's all red. I think the feeling is finally starting to come back in those fingers. I hate not having water. I don't know if you could see it when I was showing the snow, but there were snowflakes coming down. Like, it was coming down hard. And the thing that you heard in the background was the wind, and then Lacey came out the screen door. I still haven't brushed my hair today. Can y'all believe that?
We still don't have water. So that's fabulous. There's a ton of stuff that I can think of that I want to do, but I can't because there's no water, and me and Lacey, well, Lacey more than me, spent all day getting snow. And melting it, and it's not all melted yet. We spent hours on this, y'all. Hours. Snow melts down into not very much water. Did y'all know that? Like, it's crazy. Like, snow takes up more room than water, especially the light, fluffy powder kind that's falling from the sky right now. Hi, big girl. I haven't got you on camera all day. No. I've been a little busy. Your hair looks crazy insane. Did you know that? Sticking up everywhere. It's a big girl. You like all the snow? You like when the sun playing on it? Yeah. When you go sun playing it one more time? Is that a yes? Okay.
Voiceover on. Camera. Take picture. Button. Screen curtain off. Stop recording video. Button.
Drop the camera. Yeah, we dropped the camera. Act like I haven't petted you in months. Yeah. But I have, I swear it. That is it for today's video. I hope you liked this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. It's gonna be a crazy, insane week, guys. This is storm 1 of 2 this week. like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of these are Stephieonyoutube1. Personal Twitter, Stephie2010. There's always my Library that you can follow. You can find all those links on my YouTube page below the About section. My email address is stephieonyoutube@gmail.com, and you can find that in the About section of my YouTube page, and you can find all these things that I just mentioned down in the description below. And I will see y'all tomorrow for day 2 of the insanity that is the first winter snowstorm. Bye, guys.